Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Kong, the eighth wonder of the world! Don't be alarmed. It's perfectly safe. These chains are made of chrome steel.
Good morning, another fine week. Oh my god, it belted it down last night. Flipping kept me awake half at night. Yeah, anyway, I'm down in Leeds at the minute. We're just going to start this new job. I set off a bit earlier than lads, but we're loaded up first thing. This should have been done about 3 months ago, I think it was. Basically, I've had black palisade sat in my yard that long, and the big sliding gate and everything, but give its job, we ordered gear and then realised they didn't have permission off at local, so they've had to wait for all that. We're sort of coming off of that building there, down here, and we're going along there, then along there, and then we've actually got some 10 metre double sliding gates going on here. They're just manual like, so I just hope it all works out okay, because I've got this stupid drain to deal with here, which I don't like the look of. Following on here, I think we might need a digger for this bit, because I think the line of it's in line with that, so I might have to dig a bit of this away. But yeah, they've finally got permission. I'll just show you this. This car's been dumped here, look, right where we need to be. It's been reported to police apparently. Don't know what all that's about, but I'll get towed away. Luckily it's not going to be in our way, I don't think. I'm hoping our gate will probably bolt on the inside of this this concrete here, and then our palisade might go in where these curbs are. A quick trim, beauty that, DeWalt strimmer. I'm just going to trim where we're going here, so we've got to go in the middle of this. Jamie's brought half of his garden with him. Start charging him. Just laying a few rails out so we can get to the post, because how they've stacked them, they've got all bloody rails on top of the post, look. Nightmare that.
We're just finishing it up for the day. Jamie's just snapping these last ones off now. Doing up big ones at end. Baggy just peeling last bay. Looking good. Yeah.
Been busy since I last filmed some down at that job with lads. Hopefully that should be a good one. They might even finish it tomorrow, hopefully if sliding gates go well, but there's 2 double sliding gates, one 6 metre leaf and one 4 metre leaf, so the ground's fairly level but a bit thingy, so we might have to get a few packers in, which I've actually got in back at car here. But yeah, since I've left there I've been to 2 other jobs in Leeds. One was might be a decent job actually, one near Seacroft Way, Dewsbury Road, just off there. All the front bit they want doing there, load of juggies and whatnot, reprobates hanging about on a night. Yeah, it's quite a decent run there, and they just need a little gate, which because it's a factory, I said, well, it'll have to be an emergency gate, this, with a push panic sort of lock on it. So I'll get that when I get home. I'll Google Earth it, the measurement, which is, I use a lot these days actually, pretty spot on. And then I've been to Princeville School over in Bradford. Got an existing mugger, which is one of them horrible bloody iron things with stupid big round posts, basketballs going over. So I showed him last week's YouTube video of the college we did at Huddersfield extension, so I think they want something similar to that, but obviously we'll have to make some bespoke posts to fit on theirs. Just down at this job at Sandwich King. Got your man here sorting it out so it looks nice after us. So we started there. We'll just come down there to there, and then hopefully should be here soon. We've got some big 10-metre sliding double gates going there. This is where I start pulling my pants and making sure everything's right. Gates have turned up on higher block. Some weight in them. Oof, 10 metres in total. Let's hope it goes smoothly. I hate these bits.
Lads are just making final preparations for it to go in, as you can see. Just took a bit of a curb out, need to do same at other side. Just there, Mark. You reckon that top one's taking off? I reckon it's a bit same baggy. I reckon that top at curb one's taking out. This is the one, isn't it? I have coming. Big boys these. I reckon he's gonna put it back down and sort the weight out. Wants to be a bit further over to the right to take all that weight. Yeah. Take that one further over. Still heavy at one side, that. Just can't seem to get weight right for it, can it?
Looks higher this side.
It slightly goes up there, doesn't it?
No,
I'd say.
I think it's lower there.
You reckon?
Yeah, I think that's right. Depends which angle you look at.
Yeah, it does.
Every angle you look at.
This one's definitely lower here.
Level on it, quite level.
Quite level, right?
It returned yesterday, but
The only problem is he's taking the big side off now, and he's. Oh, is he right? I was about to say that. Sandwiching van.
100K.
Alright. He's saying that. Well, he loves saying that on camera. God, slim he is now, eh? That's from not eating.
Jim Goody working me out like you.
I got my own.
I'll call this number 030
I am, mate.
4557.
Mark, that one definitely drops down there. You can see it from further back here. Yeah. And we'll see how far back it goes. Slightly a bit twisted. Yeah. You're gonna have to take some more of this curb out if you want it this way. No, what baggy? You can always take them cable ties off and move leg further out.
Let's measure that.
That actually wants to come.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
before you lift that end up slightly.
Which side? That side?
This side here, yeah.
Let's drill into there and just crack that edge.
Yeah, it wants pushing over, doesn't it? Bit more. Yeah.
I'll just about fit through.
Still that way a bit.
Go that way slightly baggy.
So what? Wants lifting a bit. That's it. Yeah. Just making sure that goes to the end. I don't know, will you get it? So yeah, so when that's fully open, that'll come to, and then ours is going to be here for this one. Really, doesn't that want to be open so you know where you're getting this baggy?
Closed, you mean?
Yeah, closed. We don't know. We can take handbrake off and push it a bit further forward. Yeah, I'll do that baggy right quick. So, if you look at previous video, you see us all, I had put camera off, all hands on deck when stuff like this happens. And as you can see, we've got it bolted in. It's not fully bolted in yet, just while we do the adjustments. But, nice big sliding gate. It is a manual gate this, it's not going to be automated or anything like that. Baggy's just clearing this fencing over here. As you can see, digger, loves a good digger job, Baggy does. I'm just going to take this front bit out here. And then this gate will be coming all the way back, and then it's just the palisade fencing left to do. Still got that one to do as well. Looking good. See how gates are working now. All bolts in. We're going to get some caps for these. We're going to cut them down to the floor and then cap them off. Then up there, Baggy's just finished that last bit off there. Just putting digger on. Car's just taking post out. It's already been pre-drilled. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 bolted posts on this section here, and then this side is going to be dug. It's going to be dug to this edge line here. Like I said, if you look at previous video, you see that all this was just full like that. We've dug that out, and it's going to be tying onto that existing palisade just there, coming out to the bottom here, and then following it back on, and then attaching it to the arm over there. So we'll get that all done, dusted tomorrow, so 3 days on this job.
Yeah, since you saw me on site yesterday, the lads are back there today actually, just finishing off another run of fencing and a few bits and bats, because we struggled with a few bolts actually, so we've gone and got some different ones this morning. We've got it all set up, it's all working. In fact, Jamie's just sent me a little clip at wagons going in, because we had to position them in a certain place, because wagons have got a back reversed out road, and getting on an angle, it's a nightmare, because there's like a garage over the road, and literally all their cars that they're working on, all the customers and everything, park and block the whole street off. It's a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. So yeah, they all went in very swimmingly yesterday, which I'm glad about, and a big shout out to our mates from HC Fabrications, Edward Hodgson. Cheers pal, done us a beauty on them. They went in like a dream. Within half an hour at wagon, boom, straight down, bolted down, easy come, easy go, brilliant, fantastic. So if anybody wants any, use them guys. I'll put a link in the description below. So yeah, well done, thank you.
Right, just showing what's been done so far. Been here about an hour with lads. We've got the signs up, no parking. Lads are just cutting off and bolting out rest at bolts what need to go in. And then this is the last section now. It's going to be bolt down posts all the way to here. Maybe a bay on a little bit. Get that done and we're all done. We've already paled all this side. As you can see from previous videos, this was just a big mound like that. Taken that out, now done fencing through it. Just finishing up here. One side of the gate's closed now. That one's to be looking good. Look at that, stopping from being able to just park wherever they want now. No doubt this will all be blocked back morning, but see that car, that blue car's just been dumped there. Get them last two bays finished and I'll be out of here.